Day Sai Kids.
10 lines essay about pig. A pig is an animal that comes in mammal category. It is also called a swine, hog or domestic pig. It is very strong and intelligent animal which can train as pets. It is an omnivorous animal which eats fruits, vegetables, insects, fishes and etc. It can eat a wide variety of foods. A group of pigs is called a pasel, a team or a sounder. It has a large head with a long snout which helps to find the food. The size and weight of a pig or depends on the breed. The ears of a pig are long and eyes are small. It has a curly tail and short legs. Mostly pigs are farmed for their meat production called as pork. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.